Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today I want to talk about the new update 2.13. It had a particular feature that I thought was interesting, and I hadn't seen too many videos on it, so I decided I'd make a video about it. And also, we also know that the Key 37 came out also, and I'll make a video about my thoughts on that. Some stuff I got right about it, and some stuff I was wrong about. But like I said, I'll make a video about that. But let's get to what I found interesting. So here we are at the website here. And this is with the MPC release notes page. So it says here, which is what I found interesting, is that the MPC Key 61 and the Key 37 now have a chord function. It says play a chord on the key bed and press shift plus latch to enter chord mode. Now any key pressed on the keyboard plays the learned chord shape transposed to the pressed note. Note the first note pressed in the chord is the home note with respect to the transposition. So I thought that was pretty interesting, because as you know, prior you could go into pad perform and play chords with the pads, but you could not play chords on the keys. And also there's a way that you can do it in the software too, but I'm doing it with the hardware, so I just kind of want to show you how to do that. So let's go to that. So let's go here to track 1. This is a piano sound. So if I was going to play a C major 9, so that's the C chord there, that's the 7, 2 is the 9. So if I went here and say that's the 7 there, see? Now what you have to do, now that I've played the chord, go to shift and press latch at the same time. And see where it says keyboard on? Now, if I hit it, so I can hit it up here, down low, but that's a bit muddy. So let's figure out something to play. Let's see. Let's try something like that. Okay, so, and as you can see, it recorded the notes, and then you're free to shift and move around whatever you want to do. And so let's just lay down some drums with it. Oh, something else. Well, let's see. Yeah, something what I thought would happen. So what you're going to have to do is make sure that you turn off the learned mode. So hold shift and latch, and you see it's keyboard off. Now that it's off, it's not playing all the notes. So be sure to turn off latch mode or chord mode. So let's lay down some hi-hats. And that's pretty much it. And I believe I can go back to track 1. I can change the sound. Yeah. Okay, but you get the idea of what I'm talking about there. Okay, so I hope that kind of helped you learn about that. And until the next time, peace out. Y'all be cool.